Many organizations are looking for social media manager to manage their social media platforms. As we all know that YouTube is one of the greatest social media platform. So you can earn money by being YouTube manager. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to accept invitation and work as YouTube manager. When any individual or organization selects you to work as YouTube manager, then they will send you one invitation email in your mail. So to get this email, you just need to simply log in your Gmail account. When you log in your Gmail account, then you will be able to find one mail under the name Google My Business. Just simply need to click over there. Then here you'll be able to find here accept invitation options. Just need to simply click over there. When you click over there, then you'll be able to get accept options. As I already accepted, that is why I don't see these options, but you'll be able to find these options. When you click here accept, then you just need to simply go back there again in your Gmail account. Okay, when you click accept, then you'll further get another Gmail from the organization that select you to work as their YouTube manager, and it is obviously under the Google My Business name. Then again simply need to click over the second Gmail. Okay, when you click here, then you'll be able to find here one notification. It is called you are now a manager of the YouTube channel. You'll be able to find here the name of the channel. Okay, and here you'll be able to find here the get started options. Just need to simply click over there get started. When you will be able to see this interface here as soon as you click get started. Okay, now the thing you need to do right now, you just need to simply write down here google.brand account. Okay, you need to click over there to access your google.brand account. When you click over there, then you'll be able to find here the channel name. Okay, that means the channel or organization invites you to work as the YouTube manager. You'll be able to find this channel name. Okay, then just need to simply click over there. Okay, then you'll be able to find the name of the channel that invites you to work as the YouTube manager. As this channel invited me to work as the YouTube manager, then I find their channel name. Okay, then you need to simply click over their YouTube icon. Okay, when you click here their YouTube icon, then from there you need to click over this channel icon. From there you need to just simply need to click over their switch account. When you click switch account, then you'll be able to find the channel that invites you to work as the YouTube manager. Here this channel invite me to work as their YouTube manager. That is why I can see the name of the channel. In case of you, you'll be able to find the channel that invites you to work as the YouTube manager. So then simply need to click over this channel to work or delete, upload or do anything as the manager of this YouTube channel. Here you can see this channel. That means I'm working here right now as the YouTube manager of this channel. So I think in this way you can accept invitation and work as the YouTube manager.